how to delete story on Facebook. Now, let's say you want to delete the story that you have on your Facebook account. Now, all you have to do in order for you to delete that specific story on your feed is to tap on that specific story right here and tap on these three dots right here. Now, once you're here, you have options to choose from. Whether you want to edit the story privacy so that you can hide or make only those friends of yours or custom people on your friend list to see the photos that you have or the story that you have on your Facebook. Now, this means that you will be able to hide your story from other people on the internet. Another option is to tap on archive photo right here so that you will be able to remove your story and save it to archive. Now, this means that you will remove this story specifically to your feed. However, you will be able to locate it afterwards on your archive section. Now, the last resort you have is to tap on delete photo right here, which means that you will permanently delete the story on your Facebook account. And if you have decided to delete that specific story on your Facebook account, all you have to do is to tap on delete photo right here and tap on delete right here. And now you have successfully deleted your story on your Facebook account. So that's how to delete story on Facebook. Hope we help.